good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa tibuok tao, sa tibuok kalibutan. So today, mag-shoot ko video about how to make dalgona coffee. So this afternoon, nakoy kakuyog diri nga mahimo og dalgona coffee, dili cafe. So siya mo introduce sa mga ingredients. So stay tuned. See you.
Hi everyone, my name is Alex and today we are going to make a dalgona coffee. So I'm going to introduce you all the ingredients. So first is hot water, make sure it's very hot, and the second one is fresh milk and sugar. We choose like brown sugar because it's more healthy rather than a white sugar, and also Nescafe creamy white. So let's start. So to start, we need to have 2 tablespoons of coffee. I already poured one. And another. 2. And the next one is our hot coffee. Our hot water. 3 tablespoons of sugar. And now we will going to mix everything up 4 to 5 minutes. So it will be so smooth. We are just going to wait until the process is done.
Unya karon humana dyan may kuan mix coffee. So we're going to put now sa amo ang plastic cup, but before that we will put our fresh milk. Okay, so fresh milk, we have to put all. Okay, I think that's enough. Then now we're going to put on top our mixed coffee and brown sugar. Wow, kalami, yum yum yum. So if you try this, you maybe think na naamo sa Starbucks daw. So let's taste it. Hello guys, so managid himo sa dalgona coffee. Thank you to Joanne nga nagmix ani. So I hope you like the video and we will do more videos in the future. So thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye bye.